Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, the infamous Philip will be showing you guys how he make his Ghanaian jollof rice. So for this, I just want to go over the ingredients for you guys, just so you guys just so we can kind of keep the same theme as if I'm the one cooking. So for this, you will need some chicken. He has some chicken thighs over here, and he also have some drumsticks, and he have tomatoes, 2, 4, 6, 8 tomatoes, and he have a bag of mixed vegetables, and he also have 3 onions and 3 habanero peppers, so you know it's gonna be hot. And he have some tomato paste, and this is corned beef. He has some corned beef in a can and some oil. And of course, you are going to be needing the rice. I'm not sure how much rice is in here, but you guys know how I measure my rice. So if you follow that same technique, I think that will work. And of course, you need some water, salt, and pepper to taste. Please check the description box where we will list everything we use in this video. So let's get cooking, guys. So all he's doing right now is just chopping up the vegetables. So he's gonna chop up the onions, the tomatoes, and the peppers, of course. So we'll show you guys how he cut it up, and then we'll probably off camera continue during the rest of the cutting, so that video is not super long.
So we're gonna put this in it first.
Okay. If you haven't, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. If you are new to the channel, welcome to the channel. Join the party. If you don't know, I upload videos every Sunday, so make sure you subscribe and also hit that notification bell to get notified for every time I upload a video. And if you haven't, please go subscribe to my other channel, my Creole channel. Check the description box for that link for all those. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Facebook, and of course come snap with me on Snapchat. If you want, you can definitely follow Philip's social media. I will leave all the link for everything down in the description box for you guys to check out. Again, all he's doing is cutting up the onions. You want to do one of the pepper, one of the tomato maybe? That way we can just off camera cut the rest.
Okay. With the tomatoes, we will blend it.
Okay.
So I don't need to be cutting.
Okay, sounds good.
I will blend it in it. So.
Okay. So with the tomatoes, he's going to blend the tomatoes so he don't have to cut it. So we will continue cutting the onions and then come back and show you guys how he blend the tomatoes. Okay guys, so with the onions, he took each layer off of the onion. This is one onion cut up, and then the rest of the onions he's gonna go ahead and blend it with the tomatoes that he's cutting and with the habanero pepper. So are you going to add some water when you blend it?
Yes, just a little bit of water.
Okay, so you need to add a little bit of water to your blender and then blend the tomatoes and the onions and the peppers. I will just show you guys what the blending process look like, what it looks like once it's done blending. That way I don't have to move the camera all the way around. All right, so this much of water, which is not much at all, as you guys can see. Maybe 1/4 cup or half a cup of water. And then just blend everything together until it's smooth?
Yes.
Until smooth. Okay, so now you want to go ahead and put in some oil in the pot. Again, I'm not sure the exact measurement, but maybe half a cup of oil. Any oil of your choice, of course. Now you want to put in your onions. Are you about to saute the onions?
Yes.
Okay. So saute the onions. You want to have your stove set to medium high.
No.
Do you let them brown, like brown, or just like golden brown?
Oh, no, brown.
Okay. So now you want to go ahead and brown the onions a dark color? Dark?
Not
Or
really
not too dark?
No.
Okay, like a golden brown color. Add more oil. Let me see. Maybe a cup, about roughly. And then now we're just gonna go ahead and brown this, and then we'll come back and show you guys the next process. Okay guys, as you can see, the onions are not really dark, but the edges have a little bit of golden brown to them. And now he's gonna go ahead and add some tomato paste. like 3 teaspoons of tomato paste, or the whole can of tomato paste. How big is this can? Let's see. So a 6-ounce can of tomato paste. I'm learning with you guys, so I'm trying to give you guys as much details as I possibly can. But I love when he makes jollof rice. But he normally adds shrimp and a little bit of fish pieces sometimes. But he just wanted to make this video as simple as possible for you guys who don't know anything about jollof rice to learn. So mix in that tomato paste with the onions. And guys, I thought the chicken was gonna go right directly in the rice, but it's not. He's going to either bake or fry his chicken. Okay, but we will still show you guys that video. And then let it cook for a few minutes. So now you want to go ahead and put in the tomatoes, the onions, and the habanero that was blended. Put it right in the pot. Mix everything together, of course. And then are you gonna let that simmer for a little bit? And let that simmer for a few minutes. Now you wanna go ahead and put in your corned beef. It's definitely getting hot and spicy in here, guys. That habanero that was blended is definitely getting into my eyes. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. So you want to make sure you heat that corned beef through.
Yeah.
And now he has some spices. He's going to add a little bit of ground ginger. A couple teaspoons. A little bit of allspice. Ground allspice, a teaspoon about, and a little bit of creole seasoning. Oh, you guys know y'all can use that slap your mama seasoning too. It's the same thing really. And a little bit of all-purpose seasoning, all-purpose Greek seasoning to be specific, and some tomato bouillon. So that Maggi tomato, like a 1/4 teaspoon, and some Jamaican curry. He's using that hot curry. And also some Mrs. Dash. So about half to a teaspoon of most of these spices, and a little bit of garlic, ground garlic powder. And then some seasoning again, all-purpose seasoning, but different brand, of Goya. And then one Maggi cube, but this look like it's shrimp.
Yep, shrimp.
Maggi cube. And then a little bit of salt.
Just a little bit because I already put the corned beef in it.
A little bit of salt because the corned beef is pretty salty.
Yeah, no, it's hot. Yeah.
I was trying so hard not to cough, you guys. And now you wanna just mix everything in together.
Exactly.
You guys see the pot? And now you're gonna let it simmer. And now you wanna go ahead and let it simmer. Okay guys, that stew has been sauteing for simmering, I should say, for a few minutes, and he did not add any water. It's just that tomato and onion and stuff. That's the amount of water that's in there. That's the only water that's in there. Now he's gonna go ahead and put in his rice.
Don't wash it. Some wash it, it's all up to you.
He said washing the rice is optional, but you guys know, us Haitians now, we wash our rice, but it's optional, you guys. If you want to wash it, you can definitely wash it. And now he's just mixing everything together. Like I said, I'm learning with you guys because I asked him if he's going to add water to the pot, and he said no. As you can see, he's just mixing the rice and that gravy together. Okay. Making sure he get all the little rice that's on the side to mix into that gravy. I'm actually excited to try this myself. And then you want to reduce your heat down to medium, about medium, and then cover it, let it simmer for
like 5 minutes, you stir it. 5 minutes, you stir it. 5 minutes, you stir it.
So let it simmer for a good 20 minutes.
You always have to be stirring, other than you
burn it. You'll burn. Okay. So you want to simmer it for 20 minutes, but you want to stir it every 5 minutes so the bottom of the pot is not burned. Okay guys, as you can see, that rice absorbed all the liquid, and now he went ahead and transferred it into a baking pan, and he preheat his oven to 350 degrees, and now you're gonna put a foil.
Yes.
He's going to cover it with a foil and put it in the oven for about 30 minutes or until the rice is fully cooked. Alright guys, after the first 10 minutes of the rice in the oven, we took it out to stir it just to make sure it's like, you know, like our Haitian rice is like you can count the grains, just to make sure that rice is separated. And then now he's gonna go ahead and add in the mixed vegetables. I kept telling him if he forgot the vegetables, because I see he didn't add it in, but he know what he's doing. And just make sure you mix it in with the rice. And we're going to put it right back in the oven again with the foil on top, and just let it cook until the rice is fully cooked. Alright guys, this is the end of that jollof rice. As you can see, the rice is nicely cooked. And of course, I have to taste, so I'm gonna go ahead and give it a taste. Nice and good, but it definitely have a little heat to it because of those habanero pepper. I wish YouTube had smell-o-vision, smell-o-tube, I should say, so you guys can smell how wonderful this smells, and it tastes so good. But this will do it for this video, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, comment, like, and share. Again, I will leave Philip's information, social media information down in this description box so you guys can check out. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I love you guys for watching. See you in my next video. Bye-bye.